Alina and I share our special bond during breastfeeding. Well, breastfeeding is not always easy, guys. I know it, but it's always worth it. आपका आपके बच्चे के साथ एक special bond बन जाता है, and you are basically providing healthy nutrition to your baby, और बच्चे की immunity हो जाती है एकदम strong. What do you say, Alina? My Alina strongest. So there are a lot of problems also during breastfeeding. बच्चा सही से लैच नहीं करता है, निपल सोर हो जाते हैं, ब्रेस्ट एंगॉर्जमेंट, और कभी कभी कुछ वर्किंग मदर्स घर पे नहीं होती हैं तो वो बच्चे को ऑन डिमांड फीड नहीं करा सकते. Lovelab Adore Electric Breast Pump is the answer to all your problems. It is compact, it is handy, it is comfortable to express milk anywhere, anytime you want. And my Alina can have mama's dudu anytime. इसके साथ के एक्सेसरीज आपको ऑनलाइन भी मिलेंगी. Please do give it a try. And for all you beautiful ladies out there, happy breastfeeding week! Hey guys, look at these amazing Nivea Creme Festive Edition tins that Nivea has sent over. They are so beautiful. One for every festival. Exactly, we love them. Well, my friend Pooja and Nivea have given me a chance to do something special and share the care this Diwali.
As you know, how we are usually so busy with festivities, friends, parties each Diwali.
So this year, Pooja has challenged me to spend some quality family time this Diwali. You know, like a movie night.
Well, I'm so happy that at least we are trying to do something different to celebrate Diwali this year.
So Nivea is helping me to share the care with you too. All you have to do is leave in the comment below a different way that you are celebrating Diwali this year. Something that helps to share the care. And yeah, don't forget to tag Nivea India so that you can win this amazing Nivea festive care hamper. So hurry up. I want to see how you celebrate your Diwali.
We all know feeding a child can be messy, difficult,
And sometimes painful too. And that is why after doing a lot of research, I found all my answers in Lovelab Royal High Chair.
its 7 height adjustments makes us feel eye to eye with the baby and no back pain for the mommy too. It has a 5-point safety harness and a 3-seat recline which lets them sleep like a baby. Features like an extendable leg rest, removable and washable food tray, and also the seat cushion makes it a super hit with all the mommies for easy clean too. These caster wheels make it easy for mobility. It's foldable, hence compact and easy to store anywhere.
But now you know कि Alina और मुझे ये Lovelab की Royal High Chair इतनी क्यों पसंद है. Well, just like us, even you can get your hands on this either on Amazon or lovelab.com. Go get yours, Alina. Thumbs up.
गोकू और अलाइना जितने प्यारे हैं ना, उतना ही मेस भी फैलाते हैं. It's like I have this anti-mess radar always on, but there is something that really helps me to switch it off.
With Urban Company Salon at Home, there is no stress about cleaning any mess. Verified and trained stylists and beauticians जो देते हैं best beauty services without leaving a mess. Yes, ऐसा भी होता है. मेरी तरह आप भी घर के मेस में ना फंसे. घर बैठे बैठे Urban Company Salon at Home चुनें.